So hi everyone. Right now I want to teach you how to extract link from a website. Links. How to extract all these website links. Basically, you will need this if you want to ping mass ping links. Let me open the mass ping website. So this is still part of how to mass ping. So how do you do this? Uh, for those that want to learn how to mass ping, so how do you extract the link? This is how you extract the link. You go to the website, you pick the domain name or the URL. Let's say the URL. Then you go to your link extractor, which is this. Can you see this at the top? This is the address. You paste the website link here. Then you click on extract URL. You extract and you wait. I think it must have extracted everything. Yeah, this is it. Is it? So how do you copy? You hold from here, then highlight to the top. So this is the link. Copy. Um, then you go to your notepad. Let's open the notepad. So notepad, you paste. Every laptop comes with a notepad or a desktop. Once you click the search, you type notepad. This is a notepad. Then you click up to open and this is a notepad. This is a notepad. So if you put the links here, so this is how you extract links or URL from the website. You want to be able to extract all the URL from the website. People do this most times because they want to mass ping. Uh, I cannot use this like this because of this. What I have here, this is the link. From here to here is the link. From here to here is the link. From here to here is the link. So the next is that I want to teach you how to extract links from text. So these are all text. All this one you have here, they are all text. So how can I extract this link from text? You copy, selector, copy from your notepad, go to text, um, go to an extractor that extract text from that extract URL or links from text. Paste it. This is one of it, which is a textconverter.com. Can you see the address? Extract URL. So you click on extract. Click on extract. Supposed to have extracted this. Let's refresh. Paste and extract. This is it. So move to the side, copy, go to your notepad, open a new notepad, and paste. So these are all the link. Selector. This is how you extract links from text. So how do you mask pin this? Selector, copy, You go to Max Pinger, um, you paste. You can comment below if you don't know how to get mass ping. I'll send you a list of mass ping to ping. Basically, the reasons why you ping your website is for your website to be crawled immediately. If your website is crawled immediately, then Google knows or other search engines knows that that content is available, that all your contents that are available on the web. It's basically for a search engine to know that your content are available in the web and for them to index. So let's mass ping. Let me just go with brand new. You can put the brand name here. I'll put in the name of the blog. Ping. Start pinging. So this is it. Still pinging. So once you're done, let us wait for this to finish. Once you're done, let us move on. Once you're done, you're done with your mass ping. You can mass ping as much as you like. Thank you for watching.